Here's my review on the HOLYWAY skateboard. It's pretty cool. Turn off and on. Gives you a sound to let you know that it's on. Full battery, 4 bars, yep. And turn on the controller. Full battery, reverse, 3 different speeds, accelerate and brake. It goes up to 25 miles. It's really cool. You can even loosen the trucks and loosen the wheels. Only on this side. The other side is motor, so you can't replace them. You gotta replace a full motor, but I mean, it's still pretty good. It doesn't, break on me or anything like that. Yep, and I'll just have some videos of me riding it, and I'll be right back. And to brake. High speed. Brake. It's on low speed. I'm on a hill, so it goes super fast. And you can even ride it like a normal skateboard.